beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm about to unbox this Makartt rainbow series that I got on Amazon. But I'm only gonna use one polygel from it, okay? This I bought this kit for like $50 something. If you want it, I'm gonna put in my link below so that you guys can actually get it. It came with this dual form. It came with this manual. It came with the form. It came with base coat and top coat. It came with the brush and also the hand file. But you guys know I don't use this brush, okay? So those are the colors. It came with orange, red, neon, and green. And the other one is light baby blue, dark blue, and purple, okay? So I'm only gonna use this dark purple one just to do a simple nails, and with my nude. You guys know my old time fave. So guys, I already prepped the nails off camera just to save time. You know, you guys already know how I prep my nails. If you don't know, and if you are new to the channel, you can actually go watch my old videos and you can see how I prep my nails. It's very simple and easy, okay? So guys, this is an almond shape. I'm just going to apply the first bead of the polygel on the nails. As you know, I will do this with my rubbing alcohol and also with my brush that I also got on Amazon. All the stuff are going to be in my description box. You can just click on the link and then it's going to take you directly to the place or to the website that I got it from. So this is an almond shape. You guys are going to see how I build it. I'm going to apply the first bead and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. Welcome to the channel. In this channel, we do polygel nails, we unbox stuff, and also we review products. You are welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. I promise I will not disappoint you, because I'm gonna upload a lot of good videos and videos that you can understand and be able to do your own nails. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate you guys. And to my old subscribers, you are welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for liking, commenting, and reposting my videos. I appreciate you guys a lot, especially those that upload my video on Instagram. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are the best. And to my new subscribers, please do not forget to always like my videos, comment, share, and most importantly, I hope you guys turn on your post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you so much. Now I'm applying the second bead to the nails. I'm going to now work it from the cuticle areas down to the tip, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So guys, I already applied the blue on all the nails and carrying them for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go with my nude. I'm going to apply the nude on the ring finger, and then I also cure it for 60 seconds.
Where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, I'm going to apply the second layer of the nude to the nails just to cover up any spaces on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So I'm gonna go with my sleep solution. I'm gonna use it to clean the surface of the nails. just because when I start filing, it doesn't damage my hand file. Guys, polygel is really sticky, so it's either you use your sleep solution to build your polygel and also clean your polygel, or you use your rubbing alcohol to build it and also use it to clean it. So guys, that's my Makartt hand file that I got on Amazon. This is the only hand file that I use, so I'm just gonna use it to shape the nails and also use it to file the surface of the nails.
A lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Magic, believe change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but
if you know you have watched it this time and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? That means you are enjoying this video but you have not subscribed. Why? Please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified as a VIP. Please guys, like my videos. When you like my videos, it helps me to know if you guys are enjoying my content or if you guys are not. Yeah, especially if you guys are enjoying my content. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my cuticle drill bit just to walk around the cuticle areas. I do this just to take out all the polygel from the cuticle areas of all the nails. So that's my e-fam. I'm gonna use it to shape the nails, just to level up the nails so that the all nails will level up and they'll be equal. Okay, I always do this, and whenever you are doing this, be very careful. These stuff are really sharp, so you don't cut the person's skin. Okay,
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Magic, believe.
so guys, I went in with my hand file just to make sure I have a perfect shape that my client requested for. And also guys, I'm sorry, I was editing this video yesterday. I didn't know that I did not show you guys when I use my sanding bands. You guys know I always use my sanding bands, and now I'm using my buffer to buff the nails, and I added a little bit of a little bit of oil just to make sure when I buff the nails, all the crackiness are off the nails. So I'm using my sleep solution again to clean the nails, because I just want to draw a little bit of the design on the node. It's just a heart. You guys are gonna see me when I draw it. So I'm gonna apply my top coat on the nails. That's my Modem 1 top coat. After applying it on the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So guys, that's my blue liner. I got it on Amazon. So I'm just gonna use it to draw a little heart on the node. That's the only design my client requested for. Okay, and to draw a heart is very easy. It's just for you to pick up the just for you to pick up the gel and just dot have 2 dots, and then connect those dots, and then that's it. You're done. You already have a heart. Okay, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna draw the hearts on the node, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'm
So guys, I'm going to apply my top coat again and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
A year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So guys, that's my cuticle oil. I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails. If there was any noise, I am sorry. My window is right across the street. This is the finished look of these nails, guys. You can rock these nails anywhere, anyhow, anytime. These nails came out so beautiful. I really enjoy doing these nails. Hope you guys understood this tutorial and enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.